When it comes to losing fat, especially stubborn belly fat, most people think only about workouts and daytime meals. But what you consume at night can play an equally important role in improving digestion, boosting your metabolism, and helping your body burn fat more effectively while you sleep. Nighttime is when the body repairs itself, balances hormones, and digests food. That's why drinking the right night drink can make a noticeable difference in your fat loss journey. Today, in Day 7, we will focus on one of the most powerful and easy to prepare night drinks that can help support fat burning. Warm Cinnamon Ginger Detox Drink. This drink is extremely popular for nighttime fat loss because it improves digestion, reduces bloating, controls insulin spikes, and boosts your metabolism overnight. Let's break down everything in detail. Why night drinks matter for fat loss. When you sleep, your body goes into recovery mode. Hormones like insulin, growth hormone, and cortisol play a huge role in how much fat you store or burn. If your digestion is slow or your insulin levels are high at night, your body is more likely to store fat. A good night drink helps improve digestion, reduce water retention, boost metabolism, stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, improve sleep quality. Better sleep equals better fat burning. Ingredients for the drink. You only need 3 simple ingredients. 1. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, dalchini. 2. 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger, adrak, or 1 small piece. 3. 1 cup warm water. Optional. 1 teaspoon honey only if you are not diabetic. How to prepare it. 1. Heat 1 cup of water. 2. Add ginger and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. 3. Turn off the flame and add cinnamon powder. 4. Mix well and let it sit for 1 minute. 5. Add honey only when the water is warm, not hot. Your drink is ready. Why this drink works for fat loss. 1. Cinnamon controls sugar levels. Cinnamon is one of the best natural ingredients to regulate blood sugar levels. High sugar levels lead to fat storage, especially around the stomach. Drinking cinnamon water at night keeps blood sugar stable, which means your body can burn more fat during sleep. 2. Ginger improves digestion. Ginger helps in faster digestion and reduces bloating. Many people wake up with bloated stomachs because their food didn't digest properly at night. Ginger makes your stomach work efficiently and reduces inflammation. 3. Boosts metabolism. Both ginger and cinnamon naturally increase your metabolic rate. A faster metabolism means your body burns more calories, even while resting. 4. Detoxifies the body. This drink helps remove toxins from the liver and intestines. A clean digestive system supports better fat burning and reduces unnecessary water weight. 5. Improves sleep. Warm herbal drinks relax the body and help you fall asleep faster. Better sleep means better fat loss hormones. When should you drink it? Drink it 30 minutes before sleeping. Not too early, not too late. This helps you sleep better. Avoid late night cravings. Boost nighttime metabolism. Who should avoid this drink? Avoid it if you have stomach ulcers. You are pregnant, ask your doctor. You have a cinnamon allergy. If you are diabetic, drink it without honey. Tips to maximize fat loss with this night drink. Here are some simple habits that will make the drink even more effective. Checkmark. Avoid heavy meals at night. Eat at least 2 to 3 hours before sleeping. Heavy meals slow down fat burning. Checkmark. Don't eat sugar at night. Sugar spikes insulin, which blocks fat loss. Checkmark. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Your body burns fat better when you are hydrated. Checkmark. Keep your dinner light. Ideal dinner foods: eggs, soup, salad, grilled chicken, vegetables. Checkmark. No screen time 20 to 30 minutes. Before bed. Blue light affects your sleep quality. Benefits you'll notice in 7 to 10 days. If you take this night drink daily, you may notice droplet less bloating, fire faster digestion, balance scale slight weight reduction, sparkles clearer skin, sleeping better sleep, fire improved metabolism, biceps more energy in the morning. This drink is safe, natural, and very effective when combined with healthy eating. Example night routine for fat loss. You can follow this simple routine before bed. 1. Have your dinner early, 7 to 8 p.m. 2. Walk for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Drink the warm cinnamon ginger drink. 4. Avoid phone, laptop. 5. Sleep for at least 6 to 8 hours. Doing this consistently can help speed up your transformation.